how to operate the Whale heating and hot water control panel in the 2020 Autosleeper range. If we firstly come to this button here, it is for the water heater. If I now press it, the first icon will appear, and this is a little picture of a snowflake which represents the frost protection setting for the boiler. So if you have water in that boiler but you don't necessarily want to be heating it up, what you can do is put it onto this symbol here, and then if the temperature drops below 3 or 4 degrees, it will just come on to stop the boiler from getting frost damage. Next we have a single wavy line. Wavy lines represent mains supply. So we're currently using about 1 kilowatt. Next we have 2 wavy lines, so about 2 kilowatts. Gas on its own. Dual fuel, so a mixture of gas and mains at 1 kilowatt, and a mixture of gas and mains at 2 kilowatts. Whenever you are consuming gas, you will get a little flame just appear here, which you can now see. If there was a problem in any shape or form, so there was no gas or you had no main supply connected, etc., a little red exclamation mark would appear. If that happens, press the plus button just here, and then you will get a series of little red dashes similar to this one here, and depending on how many there are, it depicts the problem. If you look in the manual, once you've rectified the problem, you will still need to reset the control panel, and the way we do this, if it's a problem with the water heater, hold down this button first and then press the plus button together, and if it's a heating issue, same again, hold down this one and then press this one together. Next we have the heating. Very similar in icons, so we have 1 wavy line for mains electricity, but this time it's about 500 watts, 2 wavy lines 1 kilowatt, and 3 wavy lines 2 kilowatts. So again, just dependent on the ampage of the site that you're on. We then have again gas on its own, and then dual fuel. We control the heat on the plus and the minus here. Whale recommend this setting here if you need your heating on whilst you are sleeping, and if it is a very warm day, you can just circulate the air on this setting just here. Again, whenever the unit is consuming gas, you will get a flame just appear here. If we now turn the boiler back off again, and you can see the flame has now gone out. And then in a second, once the heating fires up, the flame will then come on again to let you know that it's consuming. If we now move to where the boiler actually is, and on the majority of the models in the Autosleeper range that have the Whale system, it is a little yellow lever like so, and to drain the boiler down for winterization, just turn like so, and then to refill it, make sure we're back like so, fill up the fresh water tank, turn the water pump on, and then it will re-prime itself back up again.